Hey everybody, Jim King out here with the King Piers team, St. Joe, Missouri. This old brick foundation, we've coated it with concrete and we're now painting it with waterproofing paint. And really it looks so much better. It's more structurally sound, and covering the entire wall is better than the carbon fiber, which is what everybody else would use. Strips of carbon fiber along these walls, and it's just not the way we do it. We'd rather to hold the wall not perfectly vertical. Wire mesh and concrete is the only way to do it. This really has been a transformation of what it was before we started. We've also, we've leveled this up, this area right here, and getting ready to get it finished painting. We've got a little bit of work on the outside, some tuck pointing to do, and then after that we are complete. We've done a total of 3 projects for Hannah Jo, realtor out here. So we've done all these homes that she has bought. These are her houses, and so we want to do a beautiful job on them. But this house here is structurally sound. This foundation is good for many more years. Very old. And that concrete on there is a special King Piers recipe that's been handed down about 3 generations and made better and better and better up to this point. So stay tuned for more videos. We're getting ready to leave here and go to the next job, take a look at it and see how pretty it is. Check our pictures I just put on Facebook showing the one of the jobs here in St. Joe that our other crew did. And it's beautiful like this as well. So stay tuned. King Piers, St. Joe. For all your foundation piering needs, call us 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.